To describe a queuing system, there is a standard notation that is called the Kendall-Lee notation. So we're going to look at this notation. The Kendall-Lee notation consists of 6 parts that describe 6 characteristics of a queuing system. The first part here is used to describe the inter-arrival times of the queuing system. So suppose we say that the inter-arrival times follow exponential distribution. Then in the first space here, we just write down the letter M. The second part is used to describe the service time. And again, if we say the service time follows exponential distribution, again, we write in the second space here the letter M. Now the third part is to denote the number of parallel servers. Remember that parallel servers are the servers who have the same function. They can serve the same thing, so customers can go to any of these parallel servers. Let's say we have 3 parallel servers, so you just write down 3 over there. And then the fourth part here is to denote the queue discipline. Most of the models that we are going to see later use the general queue discipline. So write down GD. It can be any discipline. And then the fifth part here denotes the number of customers, the maximum number of customers that are allowed in the systems. Both the customers who are waiting to be served and the customer who are being served. So this number here shows the total number of customers that are allowed in the systems. Let's say we only allow 8 customers in the system. And finally, this is the population size. So if the population is large enough, you don't have to write the exact number. You can just write the infinity sign there. So for example, you open a restaurant and then the customers can come from anywhere in the town or in the city. So you just write down infinity. You don't have to exactly write the number of population of the city. So that is the Kendall-Lee notation. We have 6 parts, and these 6 parts describe the characteristics of a queuing system. Here's an example of a queuing system with its Kendall-Lee notation. Let's say we have a health clinic with 8 doctors. So we have 8 servers in the system. And then this clinic can hold 10 patients. So including the patients in the waiting room and the patients being examined by the doctor. At most, we can only have 10 patients. And then the clinic has a large population, which can become the customers of this clinic. So we say the population is infinity. And then the queue discipline is first come, first serve. And then the inter-arrival time is exponential, follows exponential distribution, and the service times follow Erlang distribution. So this is how we describe a queuing system using a Kendall-Lee notation. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.